Hey, what's up people, welcome back to another video. So in this short video I'll show you how to free up your email storage space on Cpanel. So let me show you my Cpanel here. Let me quickly log into the Cpanel. So I've logged into Cpanel and open email accounts. In the email accounts you can see I have an email with the name admin, and you can see the storage here. I'm just doing this for the demonstration. Just click on manage and click on free up email storage, and you can see I have 4 emails. This is just for demonstration, guys. So you'll have to select manage, and here you have some conditions here if you want to delete the emails which are 1 year and old, or if you want to delete all the messages. I'll select all the messages for now and click on delete permanently, and that's it. You can see it's a success and all the emails have been deleted. So that's how you free up the storage, email storage on your Cpanel. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.